Hello everyone, back tuning into today's video. We're doing weekend forecast for today's video. As always, on a Saturday, we're going to have a detailed look at the weather for the coming week across the British Isles. It's going to be another very unsettled week coming up. There'll be showers or longer spells of rain after a warm and humid weekend. It's going to turn a lot cooler and fresher through the course of the coming week until we get to Friday, and then it's all changed as an area of high pressure will build up. It looks like it's going to build up from the Azores and give us at least a weekend, next weekend I think, of dry and increasingly warm conditions. So if you're waiting for a bit of a barbecue weekend, next weekend looks like it could be the one that delivers for you. So we'll have a look at the detail for weather weekend in a moment, but before we get on with that, just say about our charity fundraiser. So through the course of July, we are raising money for the Warwickshire and Northamptonshire Air Ambulance through Galsworthy's and JustGiving.com. And this is our Just Giving page that I'm on right now. So I've been running this since Monday, and we stand currently at £420. I've had a great response so far. It's still a little bit from yesterday though, so if you've got any more donations to give us, then do send them through to our Just Giving page. We'd like to get up to £500 if we can. So you can do this. There's two ways you can do it. You can go to Just Giving and you can donate there. All you have to do and get to our Just Giving page, and this is it, I'm on it right now, got the Galsworthy's logo, of course. So just click donate, the yellow button there, and you'll be able to go off and donate whatever you would like to, very securely through the Just Giving website. Alternatively, you can text your donation. I'll talk you through that in a second. So the air ambulance is entirely reliant on charity donations. They don't get any funding from the government or the National Health Service. And everything from the helicopter itself, right way down to the smallest, sort of plasters, pressure pads, all has to be paid for from your very kind donations. So a big thank you to all of those people that have donated so far. If you've got any more donations, do please send them through to us. And I'll leave the link to Just Giving at YouTube in the description box. I also of course have links throughout Galsworthy's on the pages there. Just talk you through the text way of doing this. So what we'll go over here, and this is how you can text your donation. So all you do with this is put our code, which is GWVS77, into your message with the amount you would like to donate. This is set at £5, but it could be anything from £1 upwards, and you text that to 770, and that's another way that you can text us your donation. If you pay as you go, it'll just be taken off your balance. If you pay via a bill, it'll go on to your next bill. And a huge thank you to all of those that have donated so far. We're doing something special here. We're raising money for an excellent and very worthwhile charity. It means a lot to myself and my family, and big thank you to all those that have donated so far. Right, let's get on with the weekend forecast then. We're going to start off with the radar picture from the weatheroutlook.com, and we've got a three-way split today. A fair amount of dry weather but showery conditions across Scotland at the moment, and then for southern and southwestern parts of the country, a fair amount of dry weather there, but a few showers came through. And then we've got this distinct band of heavy rain from Northern Ireland, just in southwest Scotland, down through northern England and in towards East Anglia. There's some vibrant colours in there, indicating some really quite heavy bursts of rain indeed. This is gradually going to be pushing northwards through the course of this afternoon, with brighter conditions following it from the south. Here's the barometric pressure chart today. Low pressure, usually deep air low pressure at 990 millibars, is out to the west of Ireland, feeding in this warm and humid but moisture-laden southwesterly flow across the country as a weather front in with that as well. So we've got that area of heavy and persistent rain through a central slice of the country. Will be pushing northwards through the course of this afternoon, increasingly affecting Scotland. Further south, we're going to find brighter skies moving up across England and Wales. There'll be some sunny spells coming through. It's going to be turning very warm in the southeast. Temperatures could be up around 25, maybe 26 degrees in London. So it's the ladies' final at Wimbledon, I think, this afternoon. It's going to be very warm for that. For Silverstone, qualifying this afternoon could have some showers, but hopefully it'll stay mostly dry. And the trend through the afternoon will be drier, brighter conditions edging up across England and Wales. It's going to be humid as well this afternoon, so those temperatures around 25, 26 in the south will feel very humid and muggy. Even in the north, where temperatures under that persistent rain are just 19, 20 degrees, it will feel quite humid to say the least. Overnight, we'll find that rain across Scotland this evening, and it'll gradually ease down through the course of the night. Elsewhere, we'll just have showery rain coming and going, really. So expect quite a lot of cloud tonight. Bits and pieces of rain here and there as well. Maybe something a little heavier, more persistent in the south and southwest later on. The main thing you'll notice about tonight is it's going to be a very warm night, very humid indeed, with minimum temperatures of around 12 to 18 degrees. London might not get any lower than 18 Celsius tonight, and it really will feel very humid, very sticky and oppressive through the course of tonight. Now, moving to Sunday, and low pressure is still dominating the weather, and now it's starting bringing a slightly cooler, fresher air mass from the west and northwest as well. So I think we're basically going to have a day of showery spells of rain and sunny spells in between. For England and Wales, it's a case of sunshine and showers, and some of the showers could be quite heavy, possibly even with a risk of thunder. For Scotland, Northern Ireland and Northern England, I would expect longer spells of rain with these areas of low pressure start to move in through the course of the day. So there will be showers in the north and west, but during the afternoon, particularly for western, southwest Scotland, Northern Ireland, northwest England, I would suspect we'll get longer spells of more persistent and possibly quite heavy and thundery rain. Temperatures will be turning cooler and fresh. It's still fairly warm in the southeast, around 22 or 23 degrees, but it'll certainly be a fresher feel compared to today's humidity. And that's the trend as we go through into the working week. So this is Monday, and you see the isobars are turning into the west to northwest. So cooler air is coming in from the North Atlantic. Expect a mix of sunshine and showers on Monday. Many of the showers will be in the north and the east of the country, but almost anywhere could get showers. They could be heavy with a risk of hail and thunder mixed in as well. Temperatures edging down. So in the north, probably around 16 degrees. In the south, probably around 21. 21 is 70 Fahrenheit. Turns cooler again as we move through into Tuesday, with winds again coming in from a northwesterly direction and showers across the country. So again, Tuesday could get off to a dry and bright start, sunny spell, but expect big clouds to bubble up through the course of the morning, with lots of heavy showers breaking out on Tuesday afternoon. Possibly longer spells of rain as well for northern and eastern parts of Scotland, close to this area of low pressure. Temperatures a bit below average by Tuesday, around 15 to 20 Celsius. Wednesday keeps it unsettled. Also, the main trough is going off to the east of us, but we're still within a cool, showery, northwesterly air mass. So it really will be a case of sunshine and showers. Almost anywhere could get showers on Wednesday, possibly heavy and thundery as well. Now, there will be drier spells in between, and some places could miss these showers on most days and have quite a dryish sort of week, but there will be lots of heavy showers around, and they do have the potential to contain hail and thunder. Temperatures look very disappointing, just 14 to 19 Celsius, significantly cooler than average by the middle of the week. Moving into Thursday, we've got a bit of a reach starting to build out to west. This is signs of a change the Friday and the weekend, but we're still close enough to the trough of low pressure just on Thursday to have one more showery day, and that's particularly so to the north and the east of the country. I think the west will get drier and brighter conditions through the course of Thursday, with very few showers coming through. Temperature still looking very disappointing. This could be the coolest day of the week at just 13 to 18 Celsius. However, Friday, we find a ridge of high pressure starting to move in from the south and the west, so that's settling things down much more for the end of the week. I think may have some showers still left across northern parts of Scotland on Friday, but elsewhere it looks dry, looks fine, with long sunny spells coming through. And of course, in the strong July sunshine, temperatures will be lifting up. We'll be seeing those temperatures rising to around 20 or 21 degrees on Friday afternoon. It could be quite chilly early and late though, maybe some unusually cold nights under this ridge just at the end of the week. And then through the weekend, as I promised at the beginning of the video, got high pressure building in across the country through Saturday, and then maybe already starting to show signs of drifting away to the east on Sunday, but still closer to exert an influence. So I would suspect we're going to have a mostly dry weekend next weekend with good sunny spells, temperatures becoming increasingly warm, possibly by Sunday up to around 27 degrees, that's 81 Fahrenheit in the south. But by then, as pressure is starting to weaken, I would suspect we'll find an increased risk of thunderstorms beginning to break out. And that looks to be the trend as we go beyond that. It looks like a very brief window, really, of drier and warmer conditions next weekend. And the trend beyond is probably to bring low pressure back in off the Atlantic in what is a very unsettled and changeable summer. Finally, have a look at charts from the Weather Outlook. So this situation today, we've got the rain through central northern parts of the country, increasingly going north, with drier, brighter, warmer temperatures edging up from the south. It could be very humid field today. Sunshine and showers across England and Wales on Sunday, with longer spells of rain in the north and west. The Wimbledon final and Wimbledon men's final, I should say, and the British Grand Prix at Silverstone could both be impacted by these by this rain situation on Sunday. Of course, we've got the roof for Wimbledon, so it's not too bad for them, but the British Grand Prix at Silverstone could well have rain interruptions, making for quite an interesting race, I would have thought. And then we go through into Monday, and it's sunshine and showers, longer spells of rain coming through. After a humid weekend, it will be turning cooler and fresher as well by Monday. And that really takes us into Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday, all days looking very showery. Temperatures edging down day by day, so going significantly cooler than average by the time we get through to Thursday. But Friday, that's the saving grace. High pressure starts to build back in from the Atlantic, probably just temporarily, but that looks a lot better on Friday with mostly dry conditions and sunny spells. So in summary, we're looking at a really unsettled week coming up. Once again, there'll be showers or longer spells of rain. Temperatures starting off warm and humid this weekend, but they will be turning cooler and fresher through the course of next week. We can go below average, really, through most of next week. It's just Friday, but looks drier, brighter, and warmer, and those dry and fine conditions could extend through into next weekend to give us our first sort of barbecue weekend for quite a long while. Right, that's all now. Don't forget to donate to the Air Ambulance if you haven't already done so. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.